Hi, this is a Maono PD200X podcast microphone review. This mic have two ways to connect. USB-C, you can connect directly to notebook, smartphone, or any digital device you want. And it has also XLR output, so you can connect to your audio recorder, podcast mixer, or camera. The price for this mic on Amazon is $70 in Emirates or 259 dirhams. It have metal body and color light you can change for different colors and animations. Overall it have 9 colors. So right now you hear the sound from XLR output to Zoom F3 in 32-bit recording mode. I'm pretty close to the mic. Let's try to make some space between me and the mic. 1, 2, 3 mic test. 1, 2, 3 mic test. It's like couple feet away. 1, 2, 3 mic test. I'm pretty close to the mic, like couple inches. It have also output to the headphones, so you can monitor your sound in live mode. And let's compare the sound to my Rode wireless from the internal microphone on transmitter. 1, 2, 3 test. 1, 2, 3 test. This is a Rode wireless mic to microphone. And let's switch to the Maono PD200X. 1, 2, 3 test. 1, 2, 3 test. Let me know in the comments what do you think about the sound quality of this mic, and see you in the next videos. Bye.